got Sam Bass, who I think will be the game one starter. On the year, Sam is 2-2, 9 starts, 46 innings pitched, 35 hits, 24 earned. He's walked 25 guys and he struck out 53. Guys are hitting 212 against him. Sam was their number one coming into the year. He was their number two last year. Pitched against us twice. Pitched against us in the postseason. He threw in our elimination game. You can kind of see he's all over the zone. Upper 80s, low 90s fastball with a hammer breaking ball. See what we're working with for video on Sam. Fastball really gets on you. I think the approach we need to take with Sam is to hunt the fastball because it is going to get on us. It's got a little bit of arm side run, also has a good amount of spin to it. We need to make him prove that he can throw his breaking ball for strikes. As you see right there, really good pitch. The breaking ball isn't one that I think we want to attack early in the count. It's got a lot of depth, it's late, and it's sharp. I do think the first time through the order, we're going to be able to get a good read on the breaking ball, and we'll be able to make adjustments off of that. But you can see right there, 0-0 fastball, just uncompetitive, hits a guy. We need to make this guy work. I do think we're going to get to him at some point in the game. It might be the first, it might be the fifth, but we need to just stay diligent with the approach, hunt the fastball, and look to make him throw his breaking ball for strikes. I think off of our mound, it's going to be really hard for him to command spin. So we need to make him prove that he can do so before we adjust our approach. Primarily a two-pitch guy. He's going to attack, attack, attack. Let's get a good look with... see if we can get something with runners on here. Runner on first. So there we have runner on first. We're looking at about a 1-2 to the plate right there on the fastball. 1-3, 1-4 on the breaking ball. He is going to be erratic. We need to look to be very aggressive on dirt balls. As you can tell by the skinnier guy behind the plate, this is a different catcher than what we saw back there the other day. Again, if we can stay disciplined, we're going to see a lot of this. He does get a lot of chase. Fastball is hittable. He will give us pitches to hit all day. Should be a good matchup. We handle velo really well. We need to make this guy work. Good opportunity right here, right out of the chute to win a series right in game one. Got Kelch going for us against Sam Bass for them. I like the matchup. do a lot of what we did the other day, have really good conversations early in the game, bringing back some really good information, see if we can't pick up some things on him and get to their bullpen early in game one. Who I think will be their game 2 starter, Tyler Bem. Tyler on the year has 5 starts and a save. He's pitched 24 innings, given up 30 hits, walked 16, struck out 13. Guys are hitting 303 against him. He is in the zone a lot with mid to upper 80s. See if we can pull some video for his outing earlier in the year versus Franklin Pierce. All right, Bem, another right-handed pitcher that fastball command's kind of all over right there. Looked like he was trying to go away, ran it in. Next pitch here, he's going to do the same. He's going to throw a little slider off of that. I think that we need to make him prove that he can spin for strikes, because as we go through this video, not much spin for strikes. This ball out over the plate and pulled. Next couple sliders are going to be yanked. Should be an 0-1 slider here. Down and off. Just need to stay disciplined against him. He's a freshman. I think we need to make him work, get him off the mound, make him a little bit more uncomfortable. We saw the way that their defense was playing us the other day on a fast track infield at Jefferson. The Doyle ain't much slower. So I do think that their third basemen are going to be playing back edge. I think we need to look to take advantage with some bunts. And then take advantage of the guy behind the plate, because we're going to see this kid that's back there right now that caught against us the other day, probably for both games, but definitely the first one. There's a miss, up and in, tried to go away. So we just have to hunt the fastball with him until he dictates that we need to adjust off of it. Throw some video of Pilari in here. Guy that we faced the other day for an inning. He is their go-to reliever in high leverage situations. Shout out Cole Fowler here. He's going to be a upper 80s right-handed pitcher. Erratic with command, but has really good strikeout stuff. Here he is against Walk. Good breaking ball, good depth. Everything he throws is sharp and has life. But we need to just get him in the zone. If we get him in the zone, he's going to be very hittable. Threw that one clean inning against us the other day, kind of kept them in the game. But he is a guy that we will see at least in game one, in one of the games tomorrow. So I wanted to make sure that the guys that didn't face him had an opportunity to see some video on him. Mac got to face him last year. We'll probably throw multiple innings tomorrow. But you can see a lot of deep counts. Good swing there by Mac, staying on a fastball. BK got to him last year. Good depth on the breaking ball. Probably not something that we want to hunt early in the count. Good opportunity this weekend that we've earned. Taking that game on the road is a big win. And then now we have a chance to win the series in game 1 and go sweep them in game 2. Let's keep this thing rolling. Let's stay disciplined to our approach and stay on the barrel against these guys. Force them to make plays. Give them a little Doyle home cooking. Looking forward to getting after it again tomorrow with you guys. Go Bolts.